Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack from our design team to you. This week, Kenny and his team have created a professional auto repair layout pack with 8 different pages. And these pages will provide everything your designer will need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. The auto repair layout pack contains 8 different pages, so we have a landing page, a home page, a shop page, a services page, a service page, a gallery page, a contact page, and an about page. And let's just scroll through these different layouts so you can see what they look like. And the very nice thing about this layout pack is that it includes high quality free images which you can use without any restrictions, and these are very specific to this particular layout pack. So you don't have to buy any stock images and you can simply reuse them the way you want to. And then we have a services page over here, and the nice thing about this is that you can include the general information about your services, and then you have a separate service page in which you can elaborate each one of your services and display all of the content that is specific to that service. And you can include all of the images that you want to. And if you want to make any modifications to a page in particular, you just have to go to that page, enable the visual builder, and now you can make all kinds of modifications to it using the built-in options and the drag and drop possibilities that you have with the Divi builder. So you can change all of the titles, for instance, all of the text. You can change the icons and the entire color palette, really. And if you want to change the entire layout, you simply have to click on this icon at the bottom, go to the plus icon, scroll down till you come across the auto repair layout pack. So for each one of these, you have a live demo. So if you want to take a look at the landing page, for instance, without installing it on your website first, you simply have to click on view live demo, and then a separate page will get opened where you can explore the landing page along with all the other pages. So you can simply navigate through them and see if these are the layouts that you want to use on your website before actually adding it. But if you want to add it, you simply have to click on use this layout and the entire layout will change. And in the use case live stream that happens tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern time, we're going to show you how to add vehicle parts search to the shop page. This makes it really easy for people to find parts of their vehicle and simply navigate based on that. So over here you'll have the make and the model and the year, and then they can also select an engine and a category. So once you click on search over here, you'll come to a specific page that contains all of these products that are related to the make and the model and the year. And you can also see the vehicle parts filter in the sidebar along with the card. So go ahead and explore this auto repair layout pack yourself, and make sure that you tune in tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern time on Facebook or YouTube. See you there. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.